Hey, everybody, this is Larry. This is day 5 of the Leetcode Day Challenge. It's actually only May 4th here in New York, so it's not quite Cinco de Mayo. But for those of you who are watching on Cinco de Mayo, uh, I hope you enjoy it. How do you say? Yeah, I don't know. Como se dice enjoy? Man, I, my brain is not working today, which is kind of not great because in an hour it'll be the contest, less than an hour really. But yeah, yo no sé, as they say. Okay, anyway, let's man, now that bothers me. How do you say enjoy? I feel like I've known this because I remember I was backpacking in Spain, in the northern Spain, and it got me a discount because I was talking to the innkeeper. I don't know, because I was really lost, and I was really behind, and the Airbnb that I booked, they were being like really mean about it because I got there a little bit late because I got lost, and yeah, man, disfruto. Well, disfrutar is the verb. So uh so yeah, disfrutar las uh hmm, disfrutas el fin de semana. I don't know. I'm saying that really. Enjoy the weekend is what I was trying to say. But anyway, okay. But yeah, I was talking about how much I enjoyed the inn, and they gave me a discount and upgraded me to a nicer room because I think that was like yeah, it was very nice. So because I think they just don't expect someone who looks like me in Spain who speaks Spanish, at least in that part of Spain. I don't know. But anyway, all right. Yeah, let's actually look at this part. Let's take a look. I'm glad that I remember how to say enjoy so that I could kind of, because that is something that I do a lot. Disfruto mucho, maybe. That sounds kind of. Never mind. That sounds like it may have other meanings. In any case, um, yeah, 237. Delete note in the linked list. Hope everyone's doing all right. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. I don't know. I'm still just kind of waking up a little bit. A long intro, but this someone told me this is an easy problem anyway. So yeah. Did a Okay, so you're doing a single linked list head and you want to delete a no node in it. You're giving the node to be deleted, okay? Not given the access of the first node with the head. Oh no. Or values of the linked list are unique. Oh, is this one of those things? So I guess the trick idea. I mean, I don't know. I feel like a lot of linked list ideas are tricks, but um, because I don't know, it just doesn't really generalize that much. But it is fun for problem solving if you haven't done it the first time, and or like if you haven't seen it yet and you're doing it for the first time. But it is a little bit kind of just like very specific, right? So in this particular case, I think the idea here is that okay, you want to remove a node, kind of. I say kind of because this is a weird problem. For example, you want to remove this node 5, and normally, if you're given the head of the linked list, you just kind of go through the list one by one, right? Or yeah, go through the list nodes one by one, and then if because what in here, if you take a look at if you just look at the image, you actually manipulate the pointer of 4 to skip 5, right? And not so that's how you delete is that you update the pointer to skip it. And in theory, if you have garbage collection, then I think if you're using like like a language that requires memory management, that's another story. But nonetheless, yeah, if you have like what you call it, object counters and stuff. But in any case, yeah. So the idea behind this one is that okay, but how do you delete the node when you don't have access to the what is it called? The processor, right? Like the node that's pointing to it. And I guess that's the trick. That's what the problem wants you to solve. And I guess this I don't know. Medium seems I don't know. I mean, this is one of those things that are like once you think of it, is I don't know that I know this one as a trick per se, but as soon as I see it, I'm like, oh, I guess there's really only one way for me to think about it. But and I guess they do write a lot to kind of define what it really means to quote unquote delete the node. So yeah, I mean, I think one way that you can think about it is that to delete this node, we can just make a copy of the next node, right? And then, yeah. What if this is the last node? Oh, okay. It tells you that it's not the last node. But yeah, you just make a copy of the next node, and then you just delete the next node, right? So you can do something like node.value is equal to node.next.value. I was going to say maybe if we have to check for none, but we know that the node.next exists because this is not a tail node. So then if this is the case, then now node.next is equal to node.next.next. And then that's pretty much it, which, you know, makes it a very silly problem. I don't know that, I mean, it is kind of, I call it a trick. I don't know that I know it as a trick. It is just something that, like, I looked at this and I recognize it because, well, there's really no other way to do it, kind of thing. I don't really know how to even talk about it to a degree. This is, I don't know. I mean, it is too hard for a Yeezy and maybe too easy for a medium. But I don't know. I don't even know if that's true. In a sense that I feel like for these kind of problems, every problem you know the solution to is going to be easy. Every problem that you don't, you may take like an hour and then it'll be like up. And as soon as you see it, you're like, oh, well, I guess that wasn't that bad after all. But all right, that's all I have for today. I mean, this is all of one. I don't know what to say. I'm not going to do an extra bonus problem today because it is Saturday here in New York. And not just because it's Saturday, but because the contest is coming up in about 45 minutes. And as such, that is going to be my bonus problems. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about the problem. And let me know if you're celebrating Cinco de Mayo. And also, I guess I forgot the other one, which is, you know, maybe more relevant for us nerds, or some of us nerds, or me, which is today here right now is May 4th. So may the 4th be with you. All right. See you later and take care. Bye-bye.